That's it? Oh yeah, gave me was a wig. It's fine. It smells like AliExpress. So this is the wig. This is the wig. It's soft, but y'all see that? Y'all see the difference in length already? Yeah. Hello again, guys. Me, Erika here. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm gonna let you know right up front whether you should buy this wig or not. I would say yes, buy this wig, but lower your expectation severely. Lower your expectations. Like, for this particular unit, it's supposed to be 26 inches. Like, yeah, it's supposed to be 26 inches like it says in the description, but it's not 26 inches. I would say the frontal is about 16 inches. And when I measured the actual unit, it's about 22 inches. And that's combed all the way out and stretched out. So this is not 24, 26 inches as is stated. They lied. Okay, so lower your expectations there. The frontal itself was easy to pluck. Very, very easy to pluck. It took the foundation really well. I was able to melt it down, as you're gonna see. So yes, it's super duper cute. And also you have to remember like the price for this particular wig. So if you have a high expectation to be paying that much, that price point for a wig that long, I would say don't do that. Lower your expectations. Like, what are you thinking? What are you thinking? No. But anyways, that being said, I would say lower your expectations when it comes to the quality of the wig. And also, I wouldn't say necessarily the quality of the hair. The hair was pretty nice. It did take heat. In this video, I'm actually going to curl wand it. And after I curled wand it, I was able to get the curls right back after I washed the hair. Actually, I didn't even wash the hair. I just wet it with some mousse, and it went back into that, deep wave type of texture. So I would say all in all, what I would say, I'll rate this wig 7.8 out of 10. The biggest thing about this particular wig that I'm concerned about is the shedding. This wig sheds a lot. It was shedding before I even placed it on my head. Literally, me just taking the net off, it was shedding. Me running my fingers through it, it was shedding. So that's something to keep in mind if you're going to buy this unit. But let's say that last resort, you need something that you can work with. I would get this hair. I can't even say that I won't go back and get another one. It does not lift in color. So yeah, I did do a bleach bath on this unit as well. It don't lift. It doesn't lift. Well, it lifts, but it doesn't lift very, very well. It went from a 1B to about a 4. So yeah, a 1B to about a 4. I did add color to it. It didn't take to the color well either. So I would say for this particular unit, I would just keep it as is. Just get it in the 1B color, rock it like that, unless you want to do severe damage to the hair. Like, you could go back in and just like do a regular bleach treatment, but I wouldn't recommend it just because the hair is already shedding out the gate. You gotta be wasting your time. So yeah, just enjoy and watch and do the things that you do when you watch YouTube on mute, because you're probably gonna watch this on mute, just like I do. Okay, bye.